Hello everyone, welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. Today we shall see the application procedure for linking Aadhaar card to mutual funds in Mizoram. The link which I am highlighting now is also provided in description below. If clicked on it, the official web page will be opened. On the top right corner, you can see the select language option. If clicked on it, the list of language options for this procedure will be available. You can choose any desired language as per your convenience. This procedure can either be applied in person or applied through email or applied through SMS. For applying in person, the applicant must reach out to the respective mutual fund office. They have to obtain the application form from the office and fill it up with all the necessary information. They have to make sure to carry a photocopy and original of the document that is mentioned under the required document section of this page. Document needed for completing this procedure is Aadhaar card. The applicant must attach the photocopy of Aadhaar card along with the application form while submitting it at the office. There is no fee for this procedure. After receiving the application, the process will be completed and the completion process will be sent via SMS to the applicant's mobile number. This entire process will be done within a week. For applying through email, the applicant must reach out to the mutual fund office's official website. Under the contact us option on the website, they must check for the official email address and then they have to compose the email along with the mutual fund number and their Aadhaar number requesting the concerned officer to link the Aadhaar card with the respective mutual funds. The applicant has to attach the scanned virtual copy of their Aadhaar card along with the email and then click on send option. There is no fee for this procedure. Once the process is done, the applicant will receive an SMS on their mobile number. This entire process will be done within a week. For applying through email, for applying through SMS, the applicant must reach out to the respective mutual fund office through SMS. They have to type the message in the format of capital ADRLNK space applicant PAN space Aadhaar space Y. They have to send the SMS to +91 921 299 3399. The officer will check the process by the given Aadhaar number and the update on the application status and the process completion will be sent via SMS to the applicant mobile number. There is no fee for this procedure. This entire process can be completed within a week. That's all for this procedure. If you found it informative, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.